Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And the big level that, not necessarily an update, because I talked about this previously, but 275 definitely been confirmed as a very stubborn area, and the level that basically everybody's going to be watching on Thursday. For those of you that did watch the video I did on this one, Tuesday talked about and made the adjustment that 275 was definitely going to be that main level of resistance. And you can see that this afternoon, that is right where the price ultimately got up to, but then struggled with. I mean, there was that crazy, final, 10 minutes of the day where the price actually spiked up above it, but then that didn't last that long, and the price was then down all of a sudden below it. But the point here being, the price is definitely well within striking distance now of 275, and 275 is an important and interesting area, because when you scrolled back on the chart like this, you can see that that's starting to put the price at levels that have not been seen for a very long time. And with the break of the 275 mark, if that can occur, it's definitely worth at least mapping out the next key overall level. And that's up not until around 282. Now, am I saying that a break of 275 sends this up to 282 within an hour? I'm not saying that. I'm just saying from the technical perspective, that would put the chart in an area here where you can see there just simply isn't any other areas of resistance or data until you get up around that level. So the potential is there for this thing to continue to grind higher and higher. But 275, for the reasons just discussed here, is going to be a level that a whole lot of people are watching. And when lots of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same things, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can definitely produce some very dynamic movements, and that's, like I said, exactly what's going on with 275. If there's any sort of pullback to the downside, the level of support that really is interesting now for me that I'll be keeping an eye on is that level at 270. If the price goes down there to 270 and falls below there, falls below there, so it fails to hold and falls, then at that point, that's going to be a level that a lot of shorts are going to be interested in, as the price could very well potentially then pull back to this area right here around 265. So those will be the three main technical areas that I'll be watching going forward. So let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover three keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.